I am going to be petting this guy 100,000 times.
That is a lot of times. I know.
I guess my small little head couldn't comprehend that 100,000 is a lot.
At the time of recording, we are at 86,000 subscribers. So to celebrate, we are petting Kurt 100,000 times. Mathematician here, 1 subscriber equals 1 pet. Thank you in advance if you're watching this, thank you. I appreciate you, I love you. We gotta get started because, you know, I'm not gonna wait till 100,000 to pet him 100,000 times. We already have 86,000 to do. So, we're gonna get started. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that was 100. 99,900 to go. Kurt's absolutely chilling. What better time to get some pets in? I just petted him 1,000 times. Only 98,900 to go. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going to pet him. Wish me luck. Woo! Dude, he's going to look at the camera.
Why?
Why?
You big boy.
Update, I've been doing this for about a week and I still have 93,370 pets to do. See, he's like, I've got to get innovative. I've been petting him, you know, under the chin, just like this. So I'm thinking, if I can utilize
all of my phalanges
and do like this while petting him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pets at a time. Pet, pet, pet. 5 times is efficient. I'm gonna give it a shot. He's hyper right now, so I gotta wait till he, you know, is more sleepy, but I just pet him 35 times. 35 times 5. Boom, 175 times. Think this could work. Just pet him 2,000 times, which takes another 10,000 off because we did the 5 pet at a time method. Just jumping in here for a little update on the pets. I know we are probably 1/5 of the way done. At the time of this recording, I am at 92,468 subscribers. So we still have some time, we still have some buffer room. Also, at the time of this recording, 83,195 pets to do. My hands are hurting, they hurt. Mainly my forearm, you know, doing a little 5-hand method. Kurt's enjoying it, Kurt's loving it. Obviously there's been times where he's like, all right, chill out. But when he is sleeping, my dude like moving around, getting comfortable. He's loving it.
Think he's tired of being petted today, or for right now?
He's being so cute though.
We got about 2,000 pets done.
Ah. 2,500 pets. 12,500 pets. Knocked off. Dadgummit. Alright. 1,000 more. Which is technically 5,000 more. This is an update. This is legitimately happening, okay? At the time of recording this, we are at 98,601 YouTube subscribers. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it probably within the next week. Right now, Pet Kurt's to-do is 60,445. Almost halfway there with the pets, and we are very close to 100,000 subscribers, which, if you're watching this, we hit it. So thank you. That is a lifelong dream to hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. It really is. Yeah, I mean, I don't have anything like emotional or whatever, but thank you for real. This is crazy. Kurt appreciates you. I know that's like, you know, why you're here is for the Kurt content. And also other cats, but not only other cats, animals in general. Cause like we've been doing the feeding strays, and I'm trying to get involved with helping out with that. And I wanna document it for you guys. So that is what I've been doing. And yeah, just an update. We're almost there. $8,000. I just petted him 8,000 times. Times 5. 40. That's the most. That is the most I petted him at one time. Oh my goodness. My hand hurts. 40,000. Let me do the math real quick. That was 3,500 times 5. We have 2,945 pets left. Let's get it down to like 10 pets left. Okay. We are at 89 pets left. 89. I'm gonna go back to the one finger, you know, just one pet at a time for the last 89. This is crazy. I'm about to have pet Kurt 100,000 times. The last 89, here we go. Ten more, the final 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 99,996, 99,997, 99,998, 99,999, and 100,000. Yay! Oh my goodness. That was something that I thought was never going to end. It took a long time. That was probably over a month. I started and my hair was long, and now I look completely different. And yeah, I mean, when you're watching this, we have hit 100,000. So again, thank you. Kurt pets to do, 0, a fat 0 finally. 100,000 have been completed. Again, thank you so much. I pet Kurt 100,000 times.
So yeah, I knew he would. He loves it.
Gooey booey.